Okay, this is our short nonogram tutorial. Before that, I want to show you that there's actual people are actually looking for this online nonogram book. You see that? Also, we do this. Nonogram is something people like to do. It's a type of it's not a puzzle per se, but it's a picture reveal. So they take the coordinates that are on the page and they plot out the coordinates and reveals a pixelated image. Okay, so again, like always, you can do page by page, bulk or story. If you're doing bulk, you need a cache of images, or you can use AI if you're an Elite Kai member and you're a member of Shogun Pro. Then you can use both Elite Kai, the AI mode within Nonogram. Okay. If you're not, then you need to collect a cache of images. You can go to Pixabay. We'll put silhouette, all images. No, sorry. Go to color, go to black and white and transparent background. Click apply. And you have a giant bank of silhouettes you can use. Okay, so many, so many. Okay, you can apply right into Nonogram. Okay, really important stuff. So I didn't get a bunch of them, so I'm just gonna show you one. Okay, cool. I got this pig here, and I'm gonna add the pig, generate, and down here we have the pig. See? Now again, our end user, our customers, they have to. Let me delete this page here. We don't need this page. They have to take these coordinates, plot it out, darken the coordinates, and the pig is revealed. Right? I know it's pixelated, but that's what nonograms is. It's pixelated. That's what people want. They want these pixelated images. Let me show you another one. Let me show you another one here. Let's go with this rooster. Boom, just like that. Okay. You can again add a bunch of images at once and create your book all at once within bulk, or you can use page and do it page by page. It's up to you. And again, the controls are like always, right? You have page, bulk, and story. Now let's talk about the story mode. Okay, so here we are in the Elite Kai part or the AI part of Nonogram. So you just go to story mode and you set the settings as you want them. I usually leave them as default. I'm sure you've heard this many times. You can ask for a random idea or put in your own prompt. So I asked for a random idea, and I got an intrepid explorer discovers a series of ancient pixelated carvings that reveal the secret path to a hidden golden city. Okay, I put in 48 age range, and I'm going to click generate book. Now, like I said in the other videos, this takes a while, okay? Around 5 to 6 minutes for me. Just leave your computer on, okay? Let it do its thing. You don't have to do anything. As Amazon KDP says, when you're listing a book, go get a sandwich, make yourself a cup of coffee, enjoy yourself, and come back when this is done. I'm gonna pause this here, and then we'll come back when it's completed my nonogram book, activity book, I should say, with story and coloring book pages as well. Check this out. Okay, my video went out. Anyways, here is the activity book. We have our explorer, we have our cohesive store, we have the coloring book aspect, we have the first puzzle. Okay, the solution's already here. Can you reveal the backpack? So this is a pixelated backpack, and here is a pixelated compass and a pixelated leaf, and so forth. And then it goes back to the story, and then back to the pixelation nonograms. And that is how I use the story mode. Okay, see you in the next video.